Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Tulsi, and till now you might have known I share videos related to art, DIY, creativity on this channel. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel. Also hit the bell icon below so that you get notified whenever I come up with a new video. Okay, so today's video is a continuation or part 2 of the previous video. If you have not checked the previous video out, click on the I button above and go check it out. So today I'll be sharing few more patterns regarding dot mandala. So let's not waste any time and get into the video. So to start with, making a grid as mentioned in the previous video with the help of a pencil. Start the dotting with the help of the dotting tools. This time the pattern that I chose is more kind of floral. Rest the video is self-explanatory. Start the dotting and be as creative as possible, and don't forget to enjoy. You can choose as many colors as you want until and unless the dots are symmetric. Every color and every pattern is going to look beautiful. Watch the video till the end to know what I did with this CD pattern and the rest of the CD patterns. The end one is quite exciting. What I did over here is I had a diya stand, kept the CD over it and a small diya in the center, and there you go, you have a beautiful diya with diya stand for this Diwali ready. For the next pattern, this is what the grid looks like. What I'm doing next is adding white dots to the grid that I have drew. It's basically giving border to the design. Once that is done, I am randomly adding any size of dots in the center to fill up the empty space. This is super easy and it can be done by anyone. Similar to the previous one, this is the diya stand. I'm keeping the CD and this time a tea light candle over it. So there you go, you have a tea light candle holder ready. For the next pattern, again starting with grid, this time the grid has 12 prominent lines and I've started dotting on the lines. The dots are increasing in size from the center to the outside of the CD. Once the golden dots are done, I've started giving orange dots, which are comparatively smaller in size than the golden ones, but they are increasing in size from inside to outside. And I repeated the process for the entire CD. In the center, I've given blue dots. So this is how I filled the CD with dots this time. Ta-da! This is the final look and it looks so pretty. So what I've done using this CD is quite interesting. You need some ice cream sticks and 12 coins and a watch machine. I've painted the coins black and given golden dot in between. Arranged the 12 coins around the CD. The next thing what I'm going to do is I've cut this ice cream stick into half and painted it black. And this is what I'm going to do. Glue the ice cream stick to the CD and one coin to the edge of the stick. I've stuck it with the help of glue gun and this is what it looks once completed. Okay, next I'm attaching a watch machine to it. Once that is done, I've just stuck a paper clip on the top of the machine. With the help of ice cream sticks, I've just made a stand. And the stand is ready. Here you go, you have a beautiful piece of watch ready which can be kept on the side table with the help of a stand, or you can hang it on the wall with the help of paper clip that we stuck behind. Okay, that's it for today. If you like the video, hit the like button, share the video with the ones interested in the art, and also subscribe to my channel. Until then, stay tuned for more videos. Bye, take care, and have a happy and safe Diwali.